Alright, not one you see every day. Wasn't a particularly popular set. There are some decent things in it though. Crack open a Midnight Hunt collector booster. I don't know that it gives Innistrad the respect it deserved. Innistrad was a real fun set when we first went there. But I mean, I certainly love the double features, which may be a unpopular opinion, but let's see what we can get. Alright. Got a stuffed bear. Sun Gold Barrage. Blade Brand. Ardent Elementalist. Contortionist Troop. Dreadhound. And a beautiful little forest there. With a big old ugly print line in the center. And it's, gold, oh, yep. Where the foil line, where the foil sheets meet. All good. They're still very nice lands. Curse of Shaken Faith. Ravenous Rotbelly. Curse of Silence. Non-foil. Actually, Ravenous Rotbelly was non-foil as well. Candle Grove Witch in the showcase. Tireless Hauler, double-sided in the showcase. Got a Brutal Cathar, rare, also in the showcase. Moonrage Brute on the other side. Dawnheart Mentor in the foil showcase. And Angel Fire Ignition. Extended foil. Interesting looking zombie there. Alright. Till the next time, everybody.